Welcome to Biz Frank Talk with me, Xavier Derek. I'm back again with One Man Show, where I just try to take you through some of the very important issues that we have to look at. Today, we just want to look at SWOT analysis of the fourth industrial revolution. We are so used to SWOT analysis of strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. But in the fourth industrial revolution, we are at the era where what used to take 100 people to do, because of the automation and the machinery and everything, one person can achieve that. One person can operate one machine and work on that. Therefore, some of the how we define business, how we define operation has to change. We have to change the mindset, the look, and how we do things. And in doing this and the new approach that we looked at, I had to look and say, what could be the SWOT analysis that we can have in the fourth industrial revolution? And very interestingly, I found that they are very relevant and key to how we can perform better at work. And the first one will be our strategy and work, outcome, and trends. So this could be more of our fourth industrial revolution because they speak to how we act, how we do things. Number one, when you look at the strategy, it's more on how do we do the proper planning and positioning of our business and positioning of ourselves to be able to deliver better. And if we work on our strategy and we craft our strategy better, we are able to play better in the industry. We are able to work better in the industry, similar to the strength, because that would be more like your strength. What is your strength? How do you develop your strength? You have to exercise, you have to make sure that you do research, you have to do all these things. So in the business or in the fourth industrial revolution, when we talk about strategy, it's something that has to be consistent and has to be continuous in terms of how you can develop your brand and how you can grow your brand. And the other one that we have to look at is work. How does work relate to this? Work relate to how do we manage our time? How do we commit our time to what we do? Because most entrepreneurs, we fail because we do not commit time. We do not work. We do not engage properly in what we do. So it's very important to understand that when it comes to fourth industrial revolution, we have to work. It doesn't mean that the machines will work. The machines has to be operated. The machine has to be switched on and off. So it doesn't matter whether we do that remotely or we do that physically. We need to know that we still have to work. We still have to find ourselves doing something. But the key driver in the fourth industrial revolution would be the outcome. It has to be an outcome-based approach. Outcome-based approach would say, what is it that we are doing what we do, but what is it that we expect as a result? Because that's the question that most people don't, entrepreneurs especially, we don't ask ourselves to say, for what we are doing, what do we expect as a result? And this is the question that you have to ask yourself always to say, what is the outcome that we are looking for? If we sell this product, develop this product, what is the outcome that we are looking for? What kind of revenue are we looking at? What target have we set for ourselves to achieve in what we are doing? And to make sure that what we are doing has to bring some good results for us. The last one that we have to look at, which excites me and very interestingly so, is the trends. If you look at the trends, you need to understand that for your business to grow, you need to follow the trends. You need to understand what are your competitors doing for you to do better or differently. How do you differentiate yourself to the competitors? How do you set your brand apart? So the trend plays a big role in this industry to say how your business will move forward will take you to understand what your competitors are doing, to set your own pace, and to build around your own structures and your own systems that will be able to help you to achieve the goals and the results that you want to achieve. And when we talk about trends also is to follow the news, to know what exactly is happening out there, who's saying what about what, and which product is leading in the market and how can we deal with that. So it is very important to understand that in the fourth industrial revolution, we do have your strategy, work, outcome, and trends as more like our SWOT analysis as compared to strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Let me clarify this, that we don't get rid of the others because those are standard, but we have to relook and redefine on how best can we run our businesses in the fourth industrial revolution towards the fifth industrial revolution, and to sustain our businesses going forward and create legacy for our children and our children's children. And that is Nzavi Derek on Bees Frank Talk. Till next time, thank you.